A2C electronic control A2 troubleshooting. The repair method of A2 software overcurrent is as follows. Step 1. Measure the voltage drop of the 6 IGBT SQ1 to Q6 in turn using the diode label. The voltage drop of pins 1 and 3 is about 0.65 volts. The voltage drop of pins 2 and 3 is about 0.45 volts. If short circuit occurs, replace the corresponding IGBT. Step 2. Check if the resistance of the resistors around the IGBT is normal. Step 3. Turn on the power to check if the voltage at pins 4 and 8 of U1 operational amplifier is 5 volt. If there is no 5 volt, replace U10 chip. Step 4. Check the resistance and capacitance around the U1 operational amplifier. Step 5. Replace operational amplifier U1.